Now we will solve a problem of finding out the value of del squared u power p. Okay, what is this u? U is the real part of the analytic function f of z. Okay. So here you are given with f of z is an analytic function. There are two ways of solving this problem. The first method that I am going to use is replace del squared with 4 dou squared by dou z bar. You know u is the real part. I can write it as f of z plus f of z whole bar divided by 2. And this will be same as f of z plus f of conjugate of z whole divided by 2. So del squared u power p will be 4 dou squared by dou z bar of f of z plus f of z bar divided by 2 whole power p. Now what I will do is I will first differentiate with respect to conjugate of z. This will be p by 2 power p. And this part will be f of z plus f of z bar whole power p minus 1 into f dash of z bar. Okay. So now I can write this as 4p by 2 power p. Okay. F dash of z bar can also be removed because the differentiation is with respect to z. I'll have dou by dou z of f of z plus f of z bar whole power p minus 1. Okay. So now this I can rewrite it as 4p by 2 power p into f dash of z bar, and when I differentiate this I will have p minus 1 into f of z plus f of z bar whole power p minus 2 into f dash of z. Okay. So this will be the value when I differentiate partially with respect to z. Okay. So now what I will do is I will rewrite this as del square u power p. I can rewrite it as 4p into p minus 1 by 4. This 2 power p I will rewrite it as f of z plus f of z bar by 2 the whole power p minus 2 into f dash of z into f dash of z bar. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, and I can write it as 4p into p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into modulus of f dash of z square. But here how do I get this f dash of z square? So now what I will do is you can write modulus of z squared as z bar. Similarly, modulus of f dash of z squared you can write it as f dash of z into f dash of z whole bar, and this will be f dash of z into f dash of z bar. So when I use this, I will have this f dash of z into f dash of z bar is equal to modulus of f dash of z square. So this will be the first method to find the value of del squared u power p. The second method that I will be using is finding out the value of del squared u power p using the formula of the Laplace equation dou squared by dou x squared plus dou squared by dou y squared of u power p. I will divide this into two parts. Now the first part will be dou by dou x of u power p. This will be p into u power p minus 1 into dou u by dou x. And dou squared u power p by dou x squared, this will be p into, I will use the product rule, u power p minus 1 into, when I differentiate dou u by dou x, again with respect to x, I will have dou squared u by dou x squared plus I will have dou u by dou x as such. Now I have to differentiate u power p, that will be p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into dou u by dou x. So this turns out to be p into u power p minus 1 into dou squared u by dou x square plus p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into dou u by dou x the whole square. Okay. Similarly, when I find dou squared by dou y squared of u power p, this will again be p into u power p minus 1 into dou squared u by dou x square plus p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into dou u by dou y the whole square. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to add these two. Del squared is equal to dou squared by dou x squared plus dou squared by dou y squared. So del squared u power p will be, I will add the first term p u power p minus 1 into dou squared u by dou x squared plus dou squared u by dou y squared. Second term will be plus p into p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into dou u by dou x the whole square plus dou u by dou y the whole square. Okay. So in this case, what happens here is that u is an analytic function. So the real part satisfies the Laplace equation. So dou squared u by dou x squared plus dou squared u by dou y squared will become 0. And therefore del squared u power p will be p into p minus 1 into u power p minus 2. And this is nothing but f dash of z squared. But how did I replace this with f dash of z squared? Let us see here. Now, what is f dash of z? The formula for f dash of z will be dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Okay. This will be the formula for f dash of z. F of z is analytic. Therefore, CR equations are satisfied. I can write this as dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y. Okay. Suppose if z is equal to x plus iy, okay, what will be modulus of z squared? Modulus of z squared will be x squared plus y squared. So similarly, modulus of f dash of z squared will be here dou u by dou x the whole square plus minus of dou u by dou y the whole square, which will be your f dash of z. So in this case, you get del squared u power p is p into p minus 1 u power p minus 2 into modulus of f dash of z squared. So you can directly rewrite the given function as a function of z and z bar. Use the formula del squared is equal to 4 into dou squared by dou z bar, or use the formula for del squared, namely dou squared by dou x squared plus dou squared by dou y squared, and calculate the value of del squared f of z.